Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
My hometown, a place where fine watchmaking has become a way of life. Almost 50 years of evolution are stored here, ready to help crafting the future of watchmaking. Right from the start, I have been constantly evolving and pushing technical boundaries to shape my own world vision. Each of my parts is designed to fulfill a specific task in an extremely thorough way. Taking cues from my predecessors, I have adopted a brand new face while remaining a member of the family that has forged my worldwide reputation. A contrasting 3 o'clock minutes counter, an open case back to see my heart beating. So, here I am, the Zenith Primero Defy 21. Precise to the nearest 1/100th of a second, I have set a new milestone in mechanical watchmaking. My 2 independently operating escapements enable me to combine performance and endurance. More precise and forward-looking. El Primero Defy 21.